train, and I want you to be safe. So pretty please to stay seated with your hands, arms, wings, all your legs, and all your feet inside while I take you on my fun little ride. And mamas and papas, please watch your children. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con sus manos, piernas y pies dentro de esta linda oruguita. Y por favor, cuidar muy bien, as my stomach is so empty. Hey, help me to go find something to eat. Come on everybody, here we go. Carrots are orange, just like candy corn. Do you like carrots? Let's go over and eat that nice juicy apple. Oh, that is good. Oh, watermelon. Come with me into the watermelon and taste the beautiful melon.
There you go.
There's a fork in the road. Which way to go? Apple crab or yummy dessert? Ooh, animal crackers! Ooh, I love animal crackers! I hope this box is not as empty as my stomach! Here I come, little animal crackers! Come out, wherever you are! Oh, there's so many goodies! Treats and sweets are my favorite things to eat, yeah! Mama only says to say, excuse me! Excuse me!